We're about to witness the release of the unemployment claims for the month of May in about 4 minutes. We're going to have this news release. So if the previous month, the figures came out at 230,000. The forecast for this month is 239,000. So in less than 4 minutes, when the actual figures will be coming out. So if the actual figures are lower than the forecast, then we expect that it's going to affect the US dollar negatively. It's going to make the US dollar to sell off. But if the figures are exactly the forecast or above, then we expect that to make the US dollar to appreciate, and it is going to buy. So this is currently what the DXY, as the dollar index, is doing in the 1 hour time frame. That's what it's doing in the 1 hour time frame. So in the next 3 minutes or so, we're going to see how that's going to change. So if this was actually because of the news for the euro, the dollar is actually going up higher. So if we expect that if the figures are favorable, we want to see the dollar continue this move that is currently doing on the 15 minutes. So we expect to see this high here taken out. We want to see this high taken out. That's if the figures are favorable, and even the liquidity on the upside here to also be cleared. So if that's cleared, then we could see it go as high as clearing up the liquidity on these levels. That's if the figures are favorable. So I also actually see the dollar in the dollar going higher and possibly closing up the gap that I marked out with this red horizontal line. That's on the daily. So the figures will soon be out. So let's see how in about 1 minute. So that's of course is if the dollar appreciates, then we expect the euro USD to sell off. Like it was just a news release on the euro. That's what caused this very big move here. That's the main refinancing rate and the money policy claims. They were released 15 minutes earlier. Okay, so in about 18 seconds, we're going to see 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The figures are not much impact, but gradually it's taking off. They are in favor of the USD. They are in favor of the USD. The early signs are indicating that the figures are in favor of the USD. Okay, the figures came out at 242,000. That's above the forecast. The forecast was 239,000. So that's why the dollar is appreciating. We expect the Euro USD to sell off. Same is going to happen to the GBP USD. Then this is NZD, AUD USD doing the same. Then we expect the currencies having the dollar as the base currency to be appreciating. So the Canadian dollar is really not doing much. You can see the USD Japanese yen. Then gold. So I took out the closest liquidity, took out the nearest, the next has also been taken out. So we expect that since this the bullishness of the dollar, so we expect it subsequently to attack the liquidity up, the next liquidity, because what happens is that when the market takes out a liquidity, it seeks for the next liquidity. So this one has been taken out. This one has been taken out. So the next is the one here. And then gradually leading up to NFP tomorrow, we will see the market begin to attack these levels. Attack these levels that will eventually lead to the close of lead up to this area that I pointed out earlier. But the dollar has been inside this consolidation for a very long time. I actually want to see it move out of this point. I want to see it go out of that point. Okay. So that is it, guys. So this is how far we are going to go in this video. We're not going to see when the markets will again look at that and then expect the market to gradually take out the points that we've pointed out earlier. So I'll see you in my next video. Please like, subscribe, and comment on the videos. It will mean a lot. See you in my next video.